it's time to put hood pins in this car. We don't want the conventional hood latch in the middle of this thing because I'm putting exhaust here. So I explored my options. There were these flip type ones. I thought they were kind of big. Wasn't sure where I'd want them. Didn't really settle on that. Then there's the bigger button style ones. Still kind of big. Didn't want to do that much work in cutting to the metal. I went on, happened to be on eBay, and I found these things for $4. Figured I gotta give it a shot for $4. So, button style. You can see where the end plugs in. Pops in real nice. Seems to be well built. And it's got the locking nut on the back of it. So I'm pretty sure we're going to put them about here. So let's start that. See what we think. Alright, now we're going to put the pins in the lower part of this assembly. And what the kit gives you is 2 washers and 2 nuts. And you're basically going to sandwich them on there, and it gives you adjustability up and down. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is mark the top of this hood where we're going to drill our hole. So I'm just going to put a little bit of grease on the top of this, and we're going to close the hood and see where it impacts it at. Yep, right where I thought it would be. So after doing that, can't even see, but that's where the mark came up. That's where we're going to drill our hole for it to poke through. That was almost too easy. These buttons line right up. Pop the buttons. And it's done. think for $4 you can't beat it.